Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I love you all. So today you're seeing me in front of your screen and there is a reason why. If you want to know the reason, just keep watching. So guys, right away, I'm here. So it's been a while we've seen this face, right? It's been a while. So these days I do more of the makeup tutorials. So I upload makeup tutorials of different type, bridal makeup, colorful eyes, and the rest. If you're a beginner makeup artist, you definitely want to stay glued to my channel because you have a whole lot of knowledge to pick from. That's it. So but today I just finished a live video on my channel and I'm sure I'm going to be uploading that. So we have so many questions we answered concerning the beginner makeup artist, and if you're a beginner makeup artist out there, you want to watch that live so that you can gain from those knowledge that was shared. Have a newest blessing. Gang. Guess what, just guess in the comment section. What do you think is the reason why I'm here in front of your screen today? I have a newest blessing. It's been a while, like I think a week or so. Did I get myself that? I actually did not get myself that though, but my husband gifted me and I'm super grateful. Like, where would I have been today if not for the greatest and huge support of this amazing husband of mine? So he gifted me something very valuable, very huge, something that I have always wanted, especially for this my content creating, giving you guys the quality of them all. And I am super happy to be unboxing my 15 Pro Max iPhone 256 gig brand new one. Like guys, I am excited. I am happy. Like I have to remove the carton and unbox this. And you know what guys, when this phone came in, I did not just go ahead and unbox it all. No, why? How? When I have my family here, hey, my YouTube family, how can I unbox this without you guys? It's not possible. So I have been waiting for this day to fully get prepared to unbox this for you guys to see. I am super happy, I am super grateful, and I am super blessed. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max today. Are you going to be unboxing this with me? Please stay tuned and unbox this with me. So let us start. So I'm going to be doing this right away. So guys, I'm happy. I'm so happy. So let's unbox this, right? So we go there. Oh. So do it for the other side. I'm super happy that I'm unboxing this. Like I am very happy. Yay! So wow, this is beautiful. This is lovely. Gung. Wow, this is lovely. So guys, let's remove this together. Ah, see how slick this is. Can you see guys? Gosh, this is beautiful. So let's switch it on. So how do they switch this on? So I think it's the 2 button here. So let's switch it on. Yeah, it's on guys, it's on. Whoa, so let's wait a while for it to come on. This is so beautiful, sleek, cute. It's on guys. I'm so happy, right? Hello. Wow, this is nice. This is lovely. So let's see what we have in the pack. Let's see what we have in the pack. So we have the cord, Guys, the cord is no longer the normal iPhone charger that you know. This 15 Pro Max now have Type C as its charger. So you know. So we also have this. Let's see what's here. Okay, so we have the pin to remove your, and we have the iPhone papers here and there, you know. I also have the iPhone logo. It's so beautiful, you know. So let's put this in back. Uh-uh. If I tell you guys that I have the best husband in the world, don't argue with me. Oh. Don't argue. Just take it. Because I don't know a husband that can be this caring and thoughtful to his wife. I don't know. So guys, this is our newest baby. Our newest baby. Like, this is our newest baby. So I'm going to do more of the, see how the screen is so slick. See how beautiful it is. You know, before now, I'm using the 11 Pro Max to film right now. You guys should wait in this space. Hey God, you guys are going to get it from me. If I don't give it to you, I don't know how you're going to get it. Oh, content back to back, clean and clear content. Hey, when you be watching, you'll be like, ah, this is quality. This is quality. So we're going to scroll down and click on Nigeria. You get that? So we're selecting language. So let us set the phone together. So you're done selecting the language and appearance. How do we want the phone to appear? So let's continue. This is okay, right? Should we do it as default or should we do it as this? Okay, let's leave it at medium. And let's continue. So a quick start. Set up without another device. So it's setting. Wow, this is beautiful. Guys, I won't be able to finish the setting up and everything in this video. But when I'm done setting up, trust me, I can show you guys what it looks like. Oh! Thank you so much for staying tuned with us. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for celebrating my new iPhone with me. Please, your well wishes are appreciated in the comment section. I want to hear from you guys. Thank you so much. I'm super grateful. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Share this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not. This family is a beautiful one and you want to join this family. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Until I see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.